Hello, William Vinson. It's now go.yeswilliam.com. Made a mistake. I don't know how much of a mistake I made, but, obviously I made a mistake, so I did. But anyway, I tried adding a WordPress blog to my site, and instead of getting, the yeswilliam.com still works. It goes to WordPress now, and I'm fixing to work on that. But to get to my other page, I guess I'm going to start directing people at yeswilliam.com anyway as soon as I get it set up. So the sales page anyways at go.yeswilliam.com. Kind of strange sounding, huh? But the point is, this is what happens when you go exploring things. I wanted to start a blog because one of the things I'm working on now requires that I be on WordPress. So I'm signed up for WordPress, and next thing you know, I'm beating myself right out of something else I needed. I had a friend fix that for me, but you can only fix it by adding to it instead. You couldn't take it away what I had done. So my advice is make sure you know what you're doing. Do your homework first. Don't do like I did and just jump into something. Didn't realize I should have done something different. Should have studied it more. Anyway, it wasn't what I come here to talk about. I got a video made for yesterday because I'm learning how to work Telestream, but it's in the editing stage right now, so it'll get here one day as soon as I figure out how to finish editing it. This is why I was listening to some videos today from a guy named Ajal. It's Ajlal Ahmed, Ahmed, and he was talking about this WordPress thing. And I'm pretty sure if you've ever been to it, you've seen that there's two different sites, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. Do you know what the difference in them are? That's kind of odd that I should ask this kind of question right now, huh? Because I found out the answer to this. So do you know what the difference in .com and .org is with WordPress? If you ever look it up on the internet, that's what you're going to come up with, is a choice to make. Well, you don't know what the choice is unless somebody somewhere or another has told you what the difference is, huh? Well, you don't know what the difference is, you can't make a choice, can you? So anyway, I'm going to give you a little bit of rundown of what I learned today, what the difference in .org and .com is in WordPress. .com is a managed for you plan. It means you pay for it. You're pretty cheap from what I understand, but you pay for it. If you already have a website, then you don't need a .com, but there are other drawbacks to .com. It's a hosted plan. That's why it has a price. It means and it comes installed on their server, so that you're working under WordPress's server. So you can't do things like create your own email. There's a lot of things you can't do. If you want to, there's a lot of plugins and themes out there that you can upload to your website. But on WordPress, if you have a managed website, a .com website, you can't install these plugins and themes. You're at their mercy of what they're going to do for you, or what you can do for yourself. Now, versus a .org, WordPress.org, these are self-hosted. You bring your own website to them, and because here you get more control. Granted, you're paying for your website from somewhere else, but you got more control over what you have here. You can upload external plugins and themes on .org, which you can't do on .com, and it's got a lot more. And there's a lot of resources out there that you can install on your website if you want to, if you have .org. Like I said again, .com won't let you do that. You get what they give you. It's a lot easier, I guess. From what I understand, it's pretty easy. It didn't take me but a couple of clicks, and I'd already beat myself out of my old website, and so I had to kind of add some letters to it to fix it. So now it's a little longer. It's not a real big deal, though. It's just as easy to say go yeswilliam.com as it is to say yeswilliam.com, right? So now you find my old one, and from the future I have learned from this, so I'm going to start adding that first before I end up. So yeswilliam.com will now take you to a blog, but I'm still working on it. So you can look if you want to. Nothing there yet. Well, there's something there, but it's not nothing that you're going to find enjoyable, but it will one day. But it's the beginning of a new way of advertising, and YouTube's one of them, and our blog's going to be one, and I'm using Facebook ads and Google ads. So somewhere down the road, I might start showing improvement on the income part of all this. Okay, if you learned anything, hit the like button. If you didn't learn anything, I don't guess you need to hit the like button. But if you did, hit it. And subscribe if you hadn't already done that. Ring the bell if you hadn't done that. And I was working on that other video that I had for yesterday that's still in the process because I'm trying to figure out Telestream, and I hadn't figured out how to edit that yet. I'm going to edit this with VideoPad. And when I figure that out, I'll post it too. But in the meantime, until I figure that out, I'm going to post things with VideoPad until I get it right, until I get the other one figured out. I guess that makes sense, don't it? Okay, have a great day.